We just entered into a new period of mankind that will be remembered as one of the most groundbreaking advances of technology in human history, and that is the AI revolution. Tonight, we're going to take a deeper dive into the world of AI and expose the greatest opportunity available right now that no one else is talking about with platforms like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Let's get into it. Once upon a time, in the mid-19th century, there was a gold rush. People from all over the world flocked to California in search of riches, with the hope of striking it big and changing their lives forever. The excitement and frenzy surrounding the discovery of gold was palpable, as people left their homes, families, and jobs in pursuit of the precious metal. Fast forward to the present day, and a similar rush is taking place. This time, it's not gold that's the prize, but something even more valuable: knowledge and expertise in artificial intelligence. Just as people once flocked to California, now they flock to internet platforms eager to be a part of the AI revolution and reap the benefits of this rapidly growing field. The most important part of the gold rush is that the people who got rich during the gold rush wasn't the people who found the gold. It was the people who sold the people shovels. Selling someone the opportunity to make money is much easier than trying to make the money yourself. And in turn, you end up making more money from the gold rush than the people you sell to. Hypothetically, this makes sense, but in practice, how does this work? I think the greatest opportunity in this generation right now is selling prompts for all of these AI-based platforms. The popularity of these platforms is enormous, but the majority of people utilizing these platforms have no idea on how to use these platforms. The key to unlocking these platforms is utilizing prompts, which is worth a premium when these AI platforms is virtually free. If you look on freelancer.com, you can see someone is hiring someone to create a platform to sell AI prompts. Okay, let's say you do believe me. Your next question is, how do I sell prompts? The answer is to hire people to build it for you, like the guy on freelancer.com is doing. You can go on websites like Fiverr and Upwork to find freelancers that have the skills necessary to build the platform for you. You will have to find the prompts browsing on YouTube or, ironically, using ChatGPT. You can also fast track this part by finding a lot of other people selling prompts, buying everything you find, if you have a budget of course, and putting all of the prompts you purchase into a larger package with more value. This might be seen as unethical, but it's an easier way of getting the profitability. Thanks for checking the video out. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and until next time, see you later.